If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then let me show you what you can do to try to solve this issue. So first of all, we need to go to settings and we're gonna go to connections. Although it might sound obvious and silly for some people, I still feel like I need to mention this. You want to make sure that airplane mode is not enabled. If you do, then of course Wi-Fi is going to be disabled, and of course we need to make sure that it is on. Besides that, here in connections, we can go to more connection settings, and here we have two options that I need to mention. The first one is private DNS. If you made some changes over here, if you, for example, set up the private DNS provider hostname, this might be the reason why you might have some issues with the Wi-Fi. Maybe it doesn't work at all on your phone, so you might want to switch back to automatic. That is, of course, if you made any change over here. There we go. Besides that, we have the VPN option. So if you created your own VPN profile over here, you might want to temporarily at least disable it over here. And if you do use a specific VPN app to have access to VPN, then of course you might want to go to that app and disable VPN once again, just for now, just to see if that helps. There might be some issues going on with the VPN connection or VPN service at a given moment that you use. So of course you might want to turn it off to see if that helps. Other than that, we can simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. Sometimes this simple thing can actually solve some issues, so don't underestimate it. Give it a try and see if it helps. We're gonna go to the Wi-Fi options itself, and what you can do over here. For example, if your Wi-Fi gets, or if your phone gets disconnected from Wi-Fi and then the phone does not want to reconnect, then what you can do is you can go to settings of your network, and then over here we have the auto reconnect option. Of course, you want to make sure that it is enabled. If you use different Wi-Fi, or in other words, if you have a couple of different Wi-Fi networks available in your area that you have been connected to, you might want to just make sure that this single Wi-Fi that you actually want to use has the auto reconnect option enabled. Although most of the time it is not really necessary, but sometimes the phone might want to switch from one Wi-Fi network to another one, and this might cause some trouble. Other than that, what you can also do is, of course, you can completely forget the networks. If you go to the details of the network again, you can forget it and then try to connect to the network again. And of course, after a short time, you should be able to see your network here on this list of available networks. So after forgetting it, enter the password and try to connect again. In case you have Wi-Fi QR code, you can open the QR code scanner over here, you can scan the code, and then you can try to connect without having to wait for the network on this list. And also you don't have to enter the password if you use the QR code. In case you don't have your network here, either on this list of available networks or current network, and you were connected to your Wi-Fi before, then you can tap on these three dots and you can go to advanced settings. Then over here in advanced settings, you can go to manage saved Wi-Fi networks. Then here you can choose the network and you can forget it here. So then you might be able to find it on this list. Other than that, what you can also do is we can go back to settings. Then over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and actually all the way down, and go to general management. Then over here in general management, we're gonna go to reset option. And then you should be able to find this option here, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these two things. So if you decide to reset these settings, you will not only reset Wi-Fi settings, but also Bluetooth settings. And this also means that you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, again, to all of them, because they will be completely erased from your phone. And the same thing is going to happen to your Bluetooth connections, so you will have to pair your Bluetooth devices again. But once you decide to reset, of course, you want to go back to Wi-Fi settings, and you can try to connect to Wi-Fi again and see if it works. And besides that, you can also reset your phone, or restart it actually. So if you open the power menu, you just want to restart your phone quickly. Sometimes simple restart of the phone works, just like simple restart of the Wi-Fi connection itself. So simply restarting the phone can actually be sometimes helpful. And the last thing that I want to mention is you can check if you have issues with Wi-Fi on other devices as well. So if nearby you have some other devices that use Wi-Fi, then you want to check if you have access to Wi-Fi on that other device, on those other devices. Of course, as long as you have anything, but generally speaking, if you have issues with Wi-Fi on those other devices as well, then of course this is the indicator that you have a problem with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your Galaxy Z Flip 8, so you might want to deal with that first before you can actually do something on your phone. But if you have issues with the Wi-Fi only on your Galaxy Z Flip 8, then I hope one of these tips that I mentioned in this video are going to be actually helpful. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.